According to ASA, STEM is a framework bringing together science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to promote an innovative learning platform. STEM in early education can be adopted through play-based learning, which gives students the opportunity to investigate, manipulate, and experiment with a range of resources and materials that develop important skills and concepts. STEM also holds a focus on incorporating literacy and numeracy into learning. The STEM approach to learning has a beneficial impact as it brings together core subjects, concepts, and skills and combines them under the same theme to develop a more innovative learning experience. The framework includes investigate, design, create, and evaluate, which can be skills used across all subject areas and outside of academics. An example: students are to create a boat that will float holding at least 10 marbles. The materials available consist of aluminium foil, straws, paddle pop sticks, and tape. They are first to investigate what materials would float better, what shape their boat should use, and how big their boat should be. They were then to design the boat on paper, including a labelled diagram and a clear description of what materials will be used. Students were then to create their product. Following this, students tested their boat and evaluated what improvements they could make. With the world changing so rapidly, the STEM approach allows teachers to equip students with the skills necessary to adapt to change. STEM aligns closely with early childhood pedagogy, which focuses on play-based learning and the integration of learning across areas using an inquiry approach. It can be implemented through this pedagogy where critical analysis thinking is important and the skills to do so become a learnt behaviour. An example of this can be introduced through something that most children already are familiar with, the paper plane. Students should know the simple design faults that they've all grown up with, but these planes don't perform that great. Students can investigate a better design based on the criteria of distance, strength, accuracy, symmetry, and pace. As STEM fosters a collaborative approach, students can work in groups to critically analyse the basic design of a paper plane and work out what elements need to be changed to create a more efficient model. Implementing STEM in the classroom can follow two models, which include inquiry-based and problem-based learning. Each second, approximately 30,000 pieces of new information are being produced somewhere in the world. As a result, the idea of education as a solely knowledge-based experience has shifted, and a strong focus has been put on gaining skills to solve problems and challenges and turning them into innovations. This is the core idea of STEM, and by integrating this into the classroom and curriculum, students will be benefited greatly, not only now but in the future. As a hands-on experience, STEM learning generates a high level of interest and motivation, encouraging students to immerse themselves in the learning experience. As STEM works across multiple core subjects, including numeracy and literacy, students will gain a different perspective on these subjects.